Hi, I'm Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I thought, you got a garage, let's get it done. If you love aircraft, hit subscribe and watch it get from dream to reality. Let's go! There now was 2 weeks without the video update. You may wonder why, was there no progress? No, in fact we have been very busy. The boring reason that there have not been any videos is that my landline was broken and I didn't have internet access for almost 2 weeks. This hotwire cutter is real fun. What I really wanted to say is that you need lots of patience for hotwire cutting styrofoam. At least this gives us lots of time to discuss open questions of the project in the meantime. In the first week, which means 2 weeks ago, we have been working on the remaining canopy sections. In the second week, which means last week, we have been working on filling all the remaining voids and then applying a first layer of polyester. Not everything fits right from the beginning. Some parts need a little bit of extra treatment. Finally, we have reached the front end of the canopy. Due to its complexity, we decided to build the missing piece in the front out of spray foam, together with filling the voids in the remaining form. And this is how the canopy looked like after week 1. Next Friday I'm going to show you the progress of both the last week and also what we accomplished this week so far. You know the drill, hit the like button, leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you next week, fly safe, fly Horus.